Okay, I figured I'd show you some action while I'm making this progress on this coach roof here. So I'm going to show you briefly taking the varnish off, the process I use. I'm repeating this from my previous video on doing the toe rail last year, but basically I'm just going to heat up the varnish with the heat gun and scrape it off with a scraper or a variety of scrapers that I have. So let's go. So I'm just heating up the varnish in one spot and kind of waving it around, trying to soften it till it gets kind of pliable. It'll get like pretty elastic once it gets warmed up, which allows me to scrape it off. I don't want to get it too hot that it bubbles and then it'll disintegrate. So trying it out. As you can see, it's coming up. And I'm just waving the heat in front of it so it starts to come off in a sheet. Actually, these big areas go quicker than around the windows because it can go pretty quick. As you can see, there's something satisfying about seeing the varnish coming off in a big strip like this. So you can go pretty far, cut it off. Turn off the heat gun. You see this is ready for sanding now. And here is the strip that I took off. You can see it's really pretty pliable. And it's really, really, really hot. So this is what it's like when varnish gets heated up. And some varnish that was cold that I took off earlier, you can see it just breaks apart. So it gets so brittle. This is why we need to remove the varnish, because it's just too thick to do its job anymore, and it's been UV damaged. So I just wanted to give you a quick demonstration of some satisfying views of taking the varnish off. It's kind of cool seeing how pliable it is and how it comes off in one sheet. But there's still varnish in the wood, so we need to sand it till we can get to the natural color of the wood, which is dark brown, almost black. And I will be doing that when I sand it, which will be coming up in later videos. So this is some real-time progress. Thanks for watching.